this scary girl right here? Well, guess what? You gotta see her bio. She's offline right now. But look at her bio. F Roblox and F everyone. B, I can't read or spell. That's why I watch and suck and like woman. Yo, this girl. Add this girl so I can show you can see for yourself that this is real. Like, bro. That's what we're gonna call her, badass. So anyways, like literally guys, you don't see this. You don't see how, like, this is actually real. I can't really accept any more of it, but this is literally it. Just kidding. It's literally real. Look, I could go to the inspect page and show you. Actually, I can't. No. Alright, make sure it's not on my phone. But anyways, guys, if you see this girl, do not read her bio. I warn you. And yeah, fake. I did this.